Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to continue the question answers of the lesson Paramveer Chakra. In the last grade, we had done hard words and their meaning, and question number 1 was done. Okay. What is that question number 1? What is Paramveer Chakra? So I have given you answer. What is Paramveer Chakra? I am repeating the answer. Listen carefully. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration awarded for the most conspicuous bravery of some daring or preeminent act of God or self-sacrifice by our brave soldiers in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. Now, question number 2, we are right. This is the question number 2, the answer. Okay, I am reading the question. Listen. What is seen on the obverse and reverse of the PVC medal? PVC medal means Paramveer Chakra medal. So what is seen on the obverse and reverse? सीधा उल्टा क्या लिखा हुआ रहता है, क्या लिखा है? What is seen? Question number 2, the answer is on the obverse side, or on the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. Full stop. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between them. Okay, this is the question number 2. Write down, everybody. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. Full stop. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between them. This is question number 2, the answer. Now we are writing question number 3, the answer. What is question number 3? We are doing. Write down question. Question number 3 is who designed the PVC medal? Who designed the Paramveer Chakra medal? PVC medal. Who designed the PVC medal? Who designed the PVC medal? The Paramveer Chakra medal was the Paramveer Chakra medal was the Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanulkar. Question number 3, the answer. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanulkar. Question number 4, the answer is. First, you have to write down the question. Question number 4 is what makes Indra's Vajra or weapon invincible? What makes Indra's Vajra or weapon invincible? The Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt. The Indra's Vajra. Was fashioned from the bones of fashion. From the bones of sage. Sage. And supreme sacrifice and supreme sacrifice. Sacrifice of the stage makes the weapon, it means bulk. See, question number 4 is what makes Indra's Vajra weapon invincible? The Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt was fashioned from the bones of sage Dadichi, and the supreme sacrifice of the sage makes the weapon invincible. So, this is the question answers. Now, next question we have to take. See, write the story of sage Dadichi sacrifice in your own words. You have to write this story in your own words. Okay. So, just you have to write the story of sage Dadichi sacrifice. Sage Dadichi's sacrifice. So it is given in your book. See, I'll tell you. Many years ago, a Damon set out on a mission. Many years ago, a Damon set out on a mission, stealing all the water in the world. What that Damon does, he steal all the water in the world. The consequence was very serious. Innocent people suffered and lost their lives. Innocent people suffered and lost their lives. They had no water to quench their thirst. Okay, they had no water to quench their thirst. Defeating this demon with an ordinary weapon. Defeating this demon with an ordinary weapon was not possible. Okay. So, an extraordinary weapon was required. What required? An extraordinary weapon was required. Sage Dadichi, whose bone had extraordinary power, was the only person who could save the people from the clutches of the demon. Sage Dadichi. But how could anyone ask a man for his bones? Because it is not possible that any person, any human being give their bone. A noble man Sage Dadichi was. Sage Dadichi was a very noble man. He himself sacrificed his life and gave his own bones to help the people. See, so this is the very big sacrifice. He sacrificed his life and gave his bones to the betterment of the people, or to help the people. Using the bones of Sage Dadichi's, Indra's weapon of thunderbolt was designed. Indra's weapon of thunderbolt was designed. And this matchless weapon helped Indra to defeat the demon. Through Sage Dadichi's sacrifice, we learn the value of selflessness and the significance of sacrificing our own life for the larger good. कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीज के लिए हमने अपनी लाइफ दे दी. So we learn what we learn. We learn the value of selflessness and significance of sacrificing our own life for the larger good. Understood? This is the story of Sage Dadichi. Sage Dadichi stories. Now, next is read aloud the account of how Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekon sacrificed his life to defend our country. Yes, only you have to read. See, sending them, we are doing this account of how Nirmaljeet Singh, Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Sekon, sacrificed his life to defend our country. First, he sending them sweets on festive occasions, collecting funds and contributing it towards various initiatives organized by soldiers, visiting them and organizing culture programs for them, writing letters to them, expressing our gratitude to them for giving us a sense of security, invite them to this. So, see, here it is given. See, Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Sekon was readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of the clouds of the dust raised by another aircraft. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sekon took off his Nat fighter the moment he could. He began to combat the powerful Sabre jet aircraft of the enemy. He damaged 2 of them. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at treetop height. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of battle. The aircraft and the town of Srinagar were saved. But alas, Flying Officer Sekon aircraft too crashed and he was killed. So we have studied this. Okay. So I told you how to make collage in last video. So what you have to do, see, listen. Find more information about Paramveer Chakra. I have given you information, but you have to find out collect some more information about Paramveer Chakra awards. Prepare a collage using photograph, picture, text note, slogans, and written in beautiful handwriting. So you have to prepare one collage of Paramveer Chakra award. So take out some slogans and prints and collect information about Paramveer Chakra and write in a beautiful way in your handwriting. So make a collage of Paramveer Chakra award. Understood? So you have to do this. Okay? And learn all the question answers of the lesson. Okay? That we have done. What we have done? All the question answers and hard words and their meanings. Up to this, you have to do it. Okay. So this is about the lesson Paramveer Chakra. Understood? Paramveer Chakra. So your homework is learn the hard words of the lesson. Words and their meanings. Okay. Learn the hard words and their meanings of the lesson Paramveer Chakra. So we are here finish the lesson Paramveer Chakra. So do the activity of collage that I have described you how to make a collage in last video, in last lesson. Okay, we have done Swami Vivekananda's collage. We will discuss how to make a collage. Okay, so collect some information, pictures, and yes, collect some information, pictures. And stick it, write information on the collage with your handwriting. Okay, so do this activity and learn the hard words and their meaning. This is your homework. Okay.